Assalamu alaikum. So today viewers, I am going to show you how to reset uh, engine service oil maintenance on the Caprice 2007 V8. Lately I have changed the engine oil and this message is popping up whenever I switch on and turn off the car. So we need to reset it. We need to tell the computer that ECU that the oil has been replaced, service is done. So we need to manually update. So the thing is, this trip button, you need to hold it, okay, and you need to turn on the ignition, right? So let's do that. So when this message shows up, service reset engine oil, this is the one we want to remove. So the next step is, beside this strip button there is a scroll button. We will press this and try to reset it. So I think that's it. Let's see if we are successful. I will turn off the ignition switch now and turn it back on to see if it's gone or not. I think we have done it, because before, when I used to turn off the ignition, so this message was flashing on the dash. It's no more there. Let's take out the key and check again. Let's give it some time. I need this auto totally to go to sleep. Yes, that's it. So let's insert the key again and hope if we have done it. Yes, voila, we have done it. So now the engine service check is cleared. It's no more showing and the ECU has been reset. So it's not bothering you anymore. Okay, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.